Welcome back to Online Tools Master, where we simplify powerful tools one tutorial at a time. In today's video, we're exploring a super useful and crisp tool, the black and white stamp maker from Online PNG Maker. It's the world's simplest online tool to turn any scan or image of a stamp into a bold two-color stamp, typically black and white. It's fast, free, and works right in your browser. To access this tool, just open your browser, go to www.onlinepngtools.com, and search for Create Black and White Stamp. This tool is perfect for converting colorful or faded stamps into bold black and white formats, especially useful for official documents, digital overlays, or preparing stamps for engraving and molding. Let's begin with our first example, converting a red and white canceled stamp into a clean, transparent PNG stamp. We start by uploading the stamp image into the editor. Here's the output, a crisp black stamp with a transparent background. Ideal for overlaying on documents like PDFs or Word files without covering any text underneath. We did this by choosing black for the stamp color, and transparent as the background. The tool compares the pixels and removes the background while preserving the stamp text. Here's the final result. Click on Save As to download your stamp and use it anywhere you like. Next, let's restore a beautiful but faded historical seal from Eva Usebi, a noblewoman from Czech history. The original is faded with yellow parchment and blurry ink. Using the stamp tool, we convert it to pure black and white, enhancing contrast and making it printable again. This time, we kept the default white as the background and black as the stamp color. With just one click on Save As, this antique stamp is now ready for digital archiving or restoration projects. In our third example, we'll convert a two-color Visa stamp into a sleek, MidnightBlue digital stamp. This stamp has red and blue ink, and no white background. We make it modern by assigning MidnightBlue as the stamp color and transparent as the background. This way, it keeps the stamp bold and see-through. We enter transparent as the background color and type MidnightBlue for the stamp color. The tool intelligently adjusts all non-white pixels to the chosen color. Here's our final digital Visa stamp, clean, consistent, and ready to use. Don't forget to hit Save As to grab your file. If you enjoyed this, make sure to check out our previous tutorials. We recently created a tutorial on Transparent WebP Maker and another video on the icon color changer. To try this tool yourself, go to www.onlinepngtools.com and search for Black and White Stamp Maker. Or just use the link in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Tools Master. We'll be back soon with another smart and simple online tool tutorial.